L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid that impacts nerve impulses in the brain. It is found in the green tea leaves, so a cup of green tea roughly contains about 25 mg of L-theanine. You can easily get L-theanine tablets or powder without a prescription and is generally safe to consume. People generally take it to enhance mental performance, increase attention, reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and some cases against ADHD, depression, colon cancer, and the list goes on. You can Google to know more about it. In this video, I would be focusing more on what I felt after consuming it. There were a lot of positive reviews about L-theanine and I thought of giving it a try. I had ordered L-theanine off a good brand a few weeks ago. I had a strategy to check if it actually works. I took L-theanine every alternate day in different doses for 3 days to see the impact it had. So day 1, I took a 100 mg dose of L-theanine in the morning. I'll be honest with you, others might have different opinion, but I did not actually feel much of a change. Maybe I didn't have the anxiety to be offset. The impact on sleep was not much different from the days if I hadn't consumed L-theanine. I could not see any difference in my focus as well. Day 2, no L-theanine. Day 3, I took a 200 mg dose of L-theanine in the morning. Though generally I don't feel anxious, I did feel a little relaxed as compared to my off days or even when I took 100 mg dose of L-theanine. It did help me to push myself into a deep sleep in a kind of sedative state, something I didn't have for days. I could see improvement in my focus while studying, but the increase was not that huge to say that it was actually due to L-theanine. Day 4, no L-theanine. Day 5, I took 100 mg caffeine with 200 mg L-theanine in the morning. On this day, I could see a huge impact on my daily productivity. The effects were noticeable. Caffeine made me feel energized, increased focus and productivity so. But we all know it also increases blood pressure and often makes you anxious. I could feel the huge impact of L-theanine offsetting the increase of heart rate and I felt more relaxed. Even the sleep was better. I would say this combination actually increases alertness and makes you feel relaxed at the same time. We call this state a relaxed hyperdrive. I could study for long hours in a much focused state, was less distracted and even motivated. The effects might vary from person to person, but not to a great extent I feel. So concluding, I would take dose of 100 mg caffeine and 200 mg L-theanine when I actually need it really bad. Days when I have important deadlines, some amount of workload, but I would avoid taking this dose every day. Not that I think that it is harmful, but I don't want to take my body to a state where I need to do even some minimum amount of work. Thank you so much for watching, guys.